on the next installment of what's inside. Here's a contactor found in multiple boilers, anything that needs to, anything that's high powered, 208, 240, 40, anything that's got to heat up something. I found this in some boiler, Steris boilers, Reynolds boilers, Pacific steam boilers. Tabletop autoclaves usually use an SSR, which is really what they should have, because an SSR is kind of the same thing. It's made for constant on off, whereas these contactors build up a bunch of carbon and then fall to pieces. So let's just pull one apart, show you the guts, because why not? It's interesting to see what's inside, right? And so, crappy plastic and a scrap metal bin. Okay, here's the cover. And this is the make and model of this one, if it's what you're looking for. Here's the inside. You can see this one burned up. Something happened, caused arcing, extra heat, and chewed it up. Let's see. Here's a bunch. There's the magnet. That's what your 110 is attached to. Just an electromagnet. Pulls this down, and that you see here. It's hard to see. So, see that right there? So it's up, and then comes down and they connect. That's just gone. It's thermoplastic. Apart. So if you see that, see the spring in there? So it wants to push down. Remember I told you this is really not made to be on and off constantly, all that heat. Not to mention it's sitting in front of the boiler, very hot area. So. And look at these, here's your copper plate you see at the top. Here's what you're not seeing underneath. See all that? Look at that build up. No wonder it eventually had a meltdown. And there's your contacts there. So they have electromagnet, so pull the whole thing down. Look at those contacts. Yep. burnt up those are. That's not making a good connection. Over time, that's what happens. I mean, really, this thing should have an SSR. Some of the kind of technology, but there you go. This is your contactor. Mounting plate, cover plate, the specs. This is your electromagnet. There's a 110 electromagnet that is connecting the 208, 240, or 480, or this one's 240, 480, 600 volts. This was in a boiler. It's probably 240 or 480. I didn't work on that specific one, so I don't know what where it came off of. Yeah, there you go. There's the housing to hold everything together. There are your lugs for your cable. What is that, like 6 through 4? No, I don't have a listing. No, it doesn't say on here what size wires it takes, but I'm sure that's somewhere else in the paperwork it came with. Set screws to hold in your power cables, and then your 110 connections. Put the plastic slides hold them together, and finally the contacts that burn up. Reassembly. This could be reassembled, so technically you could take the contactor, take it out, clean it, rebuild it, or take them out, swap them, then rebuild them in the shop, and then have it put back in. But I mean, what are you really going to do? Spray some contact cleaner and file it down? You see how pitted that is? It's done. So there you go. There is an electrical contactor.